I was sent this organizer for pocket knives and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's see what you get. This has got a rubberized finish on the outside. It's got some pretty cool, looks like hexagon symbols throughout, and it's patterned. It's really cool. It won't slide on the table with that rubberized finish. It's got a hard case on both sides here. Got handles with a Velcro here so you can connect it, because if this is full of knives, it gets very heavy. Got really good zippers here. Both sides open up. And I'll show you what I got packed into this case. I managed to put 84 pocket knives in here. What you've got are different elastic straps all throughout. So here on this top panel, you can put all your knives in there one at a time. And I was even able to double up on some of the smaller ones with some of the bigger ones to get even more in there. Then you've got dividers in between, just so they don't bang against each other. And here's the next panel. Big collection of pocket knives here. All shapes and sizes, and they all fit in there really nice with that elastic. This panel has a backside to it too, where you can put even more all the way throughout. And then another protective cover in between the layers for the final panel here at the bottom. Now this one here seemed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. And then this one has 4. So you can alternate. This one here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they can alternate on the ones that are in the panels in the middle, have 4. And then on each end, you've got 6. So you got a lot of options about how you store and display these pocket knives. Makes it really handy if you're trying to find a particular one. You just pop through, flip through. It's like a card collection, anything else. Holds them in there really well. When you're carrying it from the top, they don't slide, move around because they got plenty of elastic on each end to hold them down. Definitely recommend if you've got a big pocket knife collection or something similar in shape, then this kit could definitely work for you. Hope that helps. Have a great day.